Currently, a silent hero in your body is doing over 500 critical functions. Yes, I am talking about your liver. Every second, the most incredible chemical factory ever built is created. It filters your blood, detoxifies toxic compounds, and regulates your metabolism. But here is the terrible truth. Modern life is testing this magnificent organ to its limitations. In 2024, Harvard Medical School conducts groundbreaking research that exposes an astonishing fact. 4 out of every 10 people globally are at risk of fatty liver disease, and the fact that most are unaware of this is even more concerning. According to Johns Hopkins University, liver illnesses have increased by a staggering 300% over the last decade. The question is, why is this happening to us? Massachusetts General Hospital's groundbreaking research has identified 5 silent killers threatening your liver on a daily basis. Ultra-processed food bombs, environmental toxin exposure, the sitting disease epidemic, hidden sugar overload, the chronic stress tsunami, and turmeric, the golden miracle. Let's get into our first liver-saving superfood, turmeric, the golden spice that is transforming medical science. UCLA scientists have discovered something astonishing. It's an active chemical. Curcumin has a remarkable 80% regeneration rate for liver cells. But how does the golden miracle work? Curcumin magic works as a potent cellular protector, turns off inflammatory flames and activates your body's natural cleansing enzymes, promotes liver cell regeneration. The golden recipe, 1 teaspoon turmeric and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, boosts absorption by 2000%. 1 teaspoon of olive oil superfood for 2 allium veggies. Nature's detoxification activators. Let's delve into our first liver-saving superfood, family allium vegetables. We're discussing garlic, onions, shallots, chives, and leeks. This is the fascinating part. Researchers at the University of Illinois discovered that these powerhouses contain unique sulfur compounds that work as natural cleansers in the liver. The technology behind it increases bile production by 200%, breaks down fat deposits, and removes poisons like coffee, alcohol, and environmental contaminants. Pro tip, crush garlic 10 minutes before cooking to unleash its healthful properties. Eggs are the third most important superfood since they contain the entire liver. Hold on to your seatbelts because the next superfood may surprise you. Here's why free-range eggs are the best thing for your liver. They're packed with choline. Harvard researchers discovered that this vitamin is necessary for liver cell repair. There are 2 daily recommendations. For optimal nutritional preservation, serve pasture-raised eggs, soft-boiled or sunny-side up. Contains all 9 critical amino acids that your liver requires for healing. Clinical studies show a 45% reduction in liver inflammation, a 30% reduction in fat buildup, and enhanced cell membrane strength with superfood. Number 4, cruciferous vegetables. The Detox Warriors. Prepare for nature's most potent liver cleanser, family cruciferous vegetables. We're discussing broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. Stanford University researchers revealed that these vegetables contain a chemical that activates the body's most effective antioxidant, glutathione. The cruciferous power list includes broccoli, cauliflower, radishes, mustard greens, Swiss chard, and kale. Scientific impact. Glutathione production increased by 70%, with a 40% improvement in liver enzyme levels. Significant reduction in liver fat and superfood. 5. Microgreens, the nutrient bombs. What if I told you that these small plants contain up to 100 times as much nutrients as their mature counterparts? Microgreens, particularly broccoli and radish sprouts, contain high concentrations of sulforaphane, a chemical discovered by Johns Hopkins researchers to be an effective liver defender. To optimize the benefits, grow your own sprouts. Focus on broccoli and radish variations. Add to salads and smoothies. A daily ingestion of 1 ounce yields measurable outcomes. Superfood number 6, herbs and spices. Natural medicine cabinet. Here's where ancient wisdom meets current science with important herbs and spices that can improve your liver health. Milk thistle, 70% increase in bile production, proven liver cell regeneration. Turmeric, and 60% reduction in inflammation. Increased detox pathway activity. Rosemary has significant antioxidant properties and protects against toxin damage in clinical applications. Continue with the remaining superfoods using the daily turmeric golden milk recipe, milk thistle tea protocol, and rosemary infusion method. Number 7, green and peppermint tea, the hydration heroes. When these potent teas are combined with sufficient hydration, the magic happens. According to research, 1 liter of mineral water is recommended every day. 2 cups of peppermint tea to improve bile duct function. Green tea catechins lower liver inflammation by 50%. Berries are the 8th superfood, nature's sweet medication. Unlike manufactured sugars, which hurt your liver, berries are sweet buddies. According to studies, blackberries, strawberries, and blueberries include natural antioxidants, easy-to-process fruit sugars, and vitamin C, all of which aid detoxification. Fermented foods with probiotic potency, such as sauerkraut and kimchi, are more than just trendy. They are liver-healing powerhouses full of life. The increased vitamin C concentration of probiotics promotes bile recycling and a toxin-free colon, making it superfood number 10. Healthy fats are crucial companions. The correct fats are critical to liver health. Extra virgin olive oil, avocados, and grass-fed butter promote nutrient absorption and proper bile production. Superfood 11, bonus healing foods. Let us complete our list with these great additions. Asparagus decreases liver fat. Celery is a natural diuretic. Mushrooms improve glutathione. Tomatoes contain lycopene, power, and pomegranates are high in antioxidants. Superfoods 30-day scientific detox plan. Prepare for Stanford University's game-changing liver reset treatment. Week 1 is the cleanse phase with toxic load reduction, nutrition optimization, and hydration acceleration. Weeks 2 through 3 are the regeneration phase with superfood integration, enzyme activation, and metabolic rebalancing. Week 4 is the stability period. Habit anchoring improves liver function. Amazing outcomes. Published in Nature Medicine. This regimen resulted in a 45% improvement in liver enzymes, 4 to 6 centimeters of waist circumference decrease, 70% increase in energy levels, and 65% improvement in skin concerns. Important safety notes. If you are currently taking medicine, see your doctor. Modify the protocol to accommodate current liver problems. Pregnancy adjustments necessitated monitoring for allergy responses. Your liver regeneration adventure begins now. MIT researchers validated what ancient healers already understood. Your liver has a remarkable ability to mend itself. With the correct nutrition and lifestyle modifications, you can hasten this natural miracle. Join our liver healthy community, subscribe and touch the bell icon to never miss our full guides to each of these superfoods. Leave a comment below with your favorite liver healthy food. Remember that your liver can rebuild itself given the correct tools. Begin your journey now with only one of these superfoods and go from there. See you in the next deep dive video.